Now in today's video, we're taking a look at the Chamela color changing glasses. These are the Aura Audio. And these have a really unique feature, superpower feature that you can see Nelda here demonstrating. The fact is that these lenses changes instantaneously with the tap of a finger. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at the features. We're going to talk about the functions. We're going to talk to you about why you'd want to consider these. We literally at CES, we didn't see anything else that had the ability to do what these glasses do. And there are a lot of glasses to see. So let's go to check them out. Now, we actually saw these glasses our very first day at CES. We were at an event called PepCom. And there's several events that are pre-show events. We go to a couple of them that are available for press and media. And we saw this huge line and people checking out these glasses. And this lady here, when she saw them, she said, we had to test it. These are something I have to test out. As soon as they came in, because they were, obviously they ran out, we basically received ours just several weeks ago. And as soon as Nilda saw them, she grabbed them and I haven't been able to touch them since. What did you like about these when you saw them and now that you've had them?
Well, first of all, they're pink, my color, but there was other colors. But what I like about them is that they're super light, and I do love the fact that I can change the different settings, colors. I can go dark, I can go light, I can go neutral, and it just gives me all those different options. But it's a very lightweight glasses. I
Yeah.
loved about it.
The glasses basically have 4 color changes. So you can go from clear to blue to red, and then you could go to a purple. And the purple is almost like the gray, like the photo gray that you have for transition lenses. So my glasses, when I go outside, they change. The cool thing about these is that they're powered, and the battery life on these are going to last 47 hours. So for 47 hours, you'll be able to use these and have these color changing capabilities. But they go beyond just being able to change color. I like the fact that they're also Bluetooth audio based. So you can take phone calls, you can listen to music, you can listen to audiobooks. And guess what? We're going to be going to Mexico in a couple weeks, and these are going to go in her bag. And as we're on the beach, she'll be wearing these as well. Now, these are do provide 100% UV protection, which is also important. And the thing about it is that
Gotta
they're
protect
using
the eyes.
some crystal power
Yes.
with electricity that basically, as you power the voltage, it changes the colors. So there's some really cool tech in there.
Yes, yes. I mean, again, lightweight, very pretty, very fashionable. All about fashion. And again, you can just change it depending on how the sun is out. What's where you're at. You can change them to however you want.
I'm surprised. So a lot of people
This is
who
my
have
favorite
these
right
that I
now.
spoke to, they change the color of the lenses based on the outfits that they're wearing. I'm sure she'll be doing the same thing. And guess what? If I was doing the same thing, I'd probably be wearing them with a specific color. But my color tends to be black for everything.
I'm
So
wearing hot pink right now. You can't see my pants,
yeah.
but yeah, this goes perfect with my outfit.
So as I mentioned, these have Bluetooth audio. They have an IPX4 rating. They also are no joke well built, right? So it's not a gimmick about having
No.
something that is just about the color changing lenses, but these are stainless steel with also titanium legs. So they're very durable and they come in a really nice protective case. So like this is the case right here that they come with. You can see they're more like designer cases. We're going to take a closer look at the lenses in a couple seconds and the glasses, but they're more like designer type I would say eyeglasses, and they do magnetically charge. They have all the features that you would expect from what I would say traditional smart glasses. But again, the focus for these is purely audio for taking calls and listening to things, and then also it is about the color changing lenses. And the nice thing about the color changing lenses is, you know how sometimes when you walk into a room, especially with mine, we both are glass wearers and they have that photosensitivity. Sometimes you have to wait a couple seconds for your glasses to clear up, right? And I find myself sometimes taking off my glasses
Yeah, I
because
do that too.
it could be too dark. With these, as soon as you walk out, you can change it, and as soon as you walk in, you can change it back, and it's just with an easy swipe. And you can see they're literally instant. So Nolda will just swipe, and you can see how the colors just change every single swipe. And the technology is one where as you swipe, it's basically different voltages that are going in that are basically flipping, almost like if it was shades that generate each one of those colors. So let's take a closer look. We already know she likes them. We already know she's going to keep them, and you'll want them too. So let's take a closer look. Now, the cases themselves, as I said, are really durable. This is a crush-proof case, and it has a snap to it. Listen to this. Right, so it's a no joke case. So this is going to protect things. It does come with a charging cable, and it also comes with a little glass wipe that you'll be able to use to keep things nicely protected. Now let's take a look at the actual glasses themselves. Now the glasses, you'll see they look like traditional glasses. The thickness is of traditional glass. They don't really look like anything out of the ordinary. Now, what I'm going to ask Nildo to do is for her to tap and show you how it's the swipe color changes as she swipes. You can see how quickly the lenses actually change. We'll go ahead and face it up like this so you guys can see, and we'll have her just swipe them. Look how fast they swipe. So all she's doing, and there's a couple motions that you could do. You could either do a tap or you could do a swipe. It all depends on what you're comfortable with. What
I
gesture do you
prefer
like?
the swiping. I got nails, so I prefer the swipe.
So you can see how they swipe. Now, the actual speakers are in the legs themselves. What I like about these also is that I have a lot of smart glasses, and there's going to be several glasses that you're going to see on the channel really shortly. But what I like about these is that they do have a traditional eyeglass bridge, right? And one of the things that I find unbearable is when you don't have this as a glasses wearer and they start digging into your nose, right? These, because of the weight, you don't really feel that at all,
No
right?
digging.
Right. So, and then also these, again, if we flip this over like this, you'll see they look like standard glasses. Even from the side, when you look at this treatment, when you look at this looks like almost like, I won't name the brand, but it almost looks like a high-end brand symbol. I think you may know which one I'm talking about. And then you could see obviously the brand right there, Chamelo on the side. You can see the charging points, right? You can see everything that's going on there. And again, these are again super lightweight and just so good looking. And these are unisex as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on. I know Nelda's been kind of holding on to them, but I just want to show you. There's a lot of guys are using these as well. So I saw at the show. The company not only has glasses like this. Again, these are the Aura Audio, but they have some glasses that are designed for golfers. And
Those are
what
nice.
right? Those
Yeah.
are really cool. And the golfer versions basically has the ability to help the golfer look at the terrain and see more of the pitch in the terrain. They have this, I don't know, I don't want to call it HD, but I don't have a better word for it. But, and I'm also not a golfer, but the way it was explained to me and the way we saw when we put them on is if the ground basically has a specific pitch or lean, that's important to someone who is on a putting green and wants to be able to hit again where the hole is. And the glasses help identify and see those
That's pretty
pitches.
cool.
And we thought that was super cool. I thought, well, isn't that cheating?
I know. That's the first thing we said. That's
Yeah,
cheating.
is it an unfair advantage or how are people going to know that you have these glasses that tell you this stuff? And again, it's not like AR where you have all these lines and all this math going on, or it's just the
Just really
color.
clear.
Yeah, it's just the
Yeah.
color that you could see the slopes. So you could see with me, I'm switching the colors, and you can see they go well with my face as well. At least that's what Nola tells me. But I'll never have them on my face because they're hers. So that gives you a view of what these look like for men, but also again, they're great for women. Uh, they don't come with prescription. That's the only thing that I wanted to highlight. So these are going to be just glasses. But I find when I'm on the beach and when you're on the beach, you're either not wearing contacts or really all you want are sunglasses.
Exactly.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Perfect.
So guys, that's our quick review of the Chamelo again, and then this is the Aura Audio. Uh, Great glasses. They have some smarts because they have the audio capability in there. So you're going to be able to take phone calls, listen to actual audiobooks. But I think the most popular feature is that instant color changing technology that allows you to match your mood, match your outfit, or just match anything you want.
Yep. I
See you in
love
the
it.
next video.
Bye.